Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
ARIA Resort Casino represents the modern era of Las Vegas design. A shift away from themed resorts and towards contemporary architecture, technology and luxury. The property opened in 2009 as the centerpiece of CityCenter, a multi-billion-dollar development created through a partnership between MGM Resorts International and Dubai World. The goal was to redefine what Las Vegas resorts could be: sleek, urban, and future-focused. The building itself was designed by Pelli Clarke Pelli Architects, known worldwide for projects like the Petronas Towers. ARIA's twin curved glass towers stand in contrast to the classical silhouettes of older casinos. Instead of relying on an external theme, the resort takes its identity from its geometry: sweeping shapes, reflective surfaces, and a skyline footprint that immediately identifies it as one of the city's most contemporary structures. Inside the property, ARIA was one of the first resorts in the world to integrate fully automated guest room technologies. Rooms feature adaptive lighting, motorized curtains, programmable temperature control, and digital interfaces that personalize the space. At the time of opening, the system set a new standard for small room technology in the hospitality industry, and it remains one of the resort's defining features. The heart of ARIA includes an expansive casino floor, high-end dining, lounges, and entertainment venues. The design is modern and open, with extensive use of glass, metal, and sculptural art installations. The resort also maintains a significant public fine arts collection, including the works by Maya Lin, Jenny Holzer, and Henry Moore, all integrated into walkways and open areas rather than places behind barriers or in galleries. ARIA's position within CityCenter makes it unique. It sits among other contemporary structures like Vidara, Waldorf Astoria, Veer Towers, and the Crystals shopping complex. This cluster of modern architecture forms a concentrated district that contrasts sharply with the themed properties found elsewhere on the Strip. The casino's dining program is built around celebrity chefs and globally recognized culinary brands, contributing to ARIA's reputation as one of the premier food destinations in Las Vegas. Restaurants range from the fine dining concepts to modern international cuisine, making the property a hub for visitors seeking something beyond traditional fare. ARIA also plays an important role within MGM Resorts' broader network on the Strip. It bridges the connection between the southern end of the boulevard and the central Strip, acting as both a standalone luxury property and a connector between multiple major resorts through walkways and integrated design. Overall, ARIA stands as one of the most significant examples of the Strip's shift towards contemporary, design-driven hospitality. Its architecture, technology, art, and culinary offerings reflect a modern vision of Las Vegas, one built on innovation and sophistication rather than themed spectacle.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.